Hey guys, welcome back to another Tigrinya Tuesday. I'm so excited to have you back. For my subscriber, thank you for supporting me. And for our new subscriber to be, welcome to our channel. We bring Tigrinya every Tuesday, and today we're gonna be doing animals. I'm Semret Russom. You are?
Robil.
And by the way, I am learning a lot of the animals. I don't know. If I don't say it right, leave me a comment below and let me know the correct way of saying so.
We're learning because we live in San Diego.
Yes.
And this is where we have the world famous San Diego Zoo.
Zoo, that's right.
And we want to take our daughter
Which we did already.
Which we took her, and we were able to point out some of the animals to her, but
Yeah.
we're going to teach her the animals in Tigrinya too.
That's right, exactly. So anyways, we're gonna get into the program. Are you excited?
Yes. Oh, wow.
All right, let's get into it, you guys. So, you ready?
Yep.
We're gonna dive in it. We're gonna say all those animals, and I'm gonna learn, you're gonna learn today, right?
All right, let's do it.
Animal and sisa.
Ensisa. Animal. Ensisa.
Yes. Beautiful tsubuqat or shukorina.
Shukarina.
Shukorina. Beautiful shukorina.
Shukarina.
Yes. Monkey, hibe.
Monkey. Hibe.
Yes. Tiger, nebri.
Tiger. Nebri.
Jaguar.
Jaguar. Jaguar.
Jaguar. Yes. Elephant, harmaz.
Elephant. Harmaz.
Lion, anbesa.
Lion. Anbesa.
Bear, dubi.
Bear. Dibi.
I just learned that today. I didn't know about that. So that's great. Hungry, teme.
Hungry. Temie.
Cheetah,
It's like tummy. Temie.
Tommy, yeah, kinda. It's true. Now you can remember that. Okay. Cheetah.
Cheetah.
Fast, goyait.
Fast. Goyait.
Snake, temen.
Snake. Temen.
Dog, kelbi.
Dog. Kelbi.
Cat, demu.
Cat. Demu.
Demu. Rhino, harish. I didn't know that.
Harish.
I didn't know that.
Hopefully we're saying it right.
I hope we're saying it right.
Harish.
Turtle, aba gobiye.
Turtle. Aba.
Gobiye.
Aba gobiye. Aba gobiye.
Yes.
Yeah?
Slow, zuhul.
Slow. Zuhul. Zuhul.
Rabbit is mantile.
Rabbit. Mentile.
Mantile. Goat,
Goat.
tel.
T'el.
Yes.
T'el.
Cow, lamb.
Cow is lamb.
Lamb. Pig is hasama.
Pig. Hasama.
All right, guys, so up next, I'm going to say sentences. In Tigrinya, you're going to repeat after me.
I'm going to repeat in Tigrinya.
Yes.
Oh,
You
wow.
ready?
Oh, wow.
The cheetah is fast.
The cheetah is fast.
Yes. Izia cheetah, azia goyait iya.
Izia, cheetah, azia, goyait, iya.
Yes, cheetah is fastest. Run. Next, it's gonna be animals are beautiful. Insisatat aziyum tsubuqat iyum.
Animals are beautiful.
Yes.
Ensisatat aziyam tsupo at iyum.
Yes. Okay, so next is gonna be the bear is hungry. Debbie,
The bear is hungry.
Yes. Debbie aziyu demiu.
Dibi aziyu temiyu.
Yes.
Dibi aziyu temiyu. The bear is hungry.
Yes. Next is the turtle is slow.
The turtle is slow.
Aba gobiye aziyu zuhul iyu.
Okay.
Gobiye.
Aba gobiye Aziu zuhul iu.
Yes.
Should I say it again?
Yes.
Abba gobie
Yes.
aziu zuhul iu.
Yes.
The turtle is slow.
Yes. Do not pet the lion is Ambesa ke tehezo.
Do not pet the lion.
Yes.
Anbesa ke tehezo.
Yes.
Anbesa ke tehezo.
Right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine if you were like, oh, let me pet you? You'd be his dinner, basically. Anyway, so good job. What do you think?
That was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you
let's-
know your animal?
Let's go to the zoo.
Yes. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We are all done. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye to